Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm with Andrew. Hey Andrew, that's a guy. So he's here. He's asking me to help him out with changing his oil. Um, you know, the number one reason why you should change your oil, you yourself, is that you can get good oil. You can save a lot of money because it's cheaper,
Yep.
and it's satisfying to do your own car. So today,
You can also teach a friend, eh?
Andrew is asking me to help him out. Actually, I'm not gonna help him out. Maybe I'm gonna teach him. Maybe I think that's a better idea.
Yeah.
He's gonna do his own car, and then I'm just gonna give instructions. So let's do this. So that we, tools that we're gonna be using are just basic stuff. Ooh, ready. So let's go get a tire block. Go get that, Andrew. Put it on the rear side of the tires. And here's another one. And just to be safe, also put some on the front side of the rear tires. Okay. And then right after that, we need to jack it up. Different cars has different jack points for the BMWs. So you see that block? So that's your jack point. So
For the Lancer, the jack points are
this one with a notch, and then for the truck, it would be the chassis, and you can also jack it from the axle or the lift spring. You have an option to jack it in the front, which is that thing. So different vehicles has different jack points. You can consult your owner's manual to look for where the jack points are. So time to jack it up. Jack it up, yo. Jack it up, yo.
there you go. How far?
As much as you can, where we can slide under.
Heavy?
Couple, two more.
One, two.
That's good. Are you struggling?
Yeah, man, I'm struggling.
Clockwise.
There we go. Yep. Happy?
A little bit more. That's it.
Perfect.
Look at that stand. Okay, that's good. So once the jack stands are in, well, we managed to put it under the subframe. Remember, do not put your jack stands where it's not stable or it's not strong enough. Again, you can consult your owner's manual on where to put your jack stands in. So now that it's safe, it's time to remove the drain plug. I think he has to do it. Keeps on telling me he's gonna do it, but I'm gonna do it. Here you need to remove this.
Oh, okay.
So this is a cover for the drain plug. See? So that will reveal the drain plug, which is a Torx 50. Torx 50, and turn it counterclockwise. Drain pan, Andrew. So put your oil. What did you call this, Andrew? Oil can.
Oh, yes, an oil can.
Oil can.
Please.
We will open this. Oh, that's making a mess.
That's a big mess.
Oh my goodness.
Oh man. Big cleanup after here.
Well, that's one thing you shouldn't do.
Nicely done.
Oh my goodness. Where's my rag?
Okay, that's pretty much done. Drained all the oil. Bit of spillage outside. We'll have to do a bit of cleaning afterwards. It's done.
So while we are draining the oil, let's remove the oil filter. So it's 36 and it's a quite tight area, so we're gonna use a vice grip. Hopefully it's not that tight enough. So Andrew, give it a shot. So now we're able to access the filter housing. We had to move this a little bit because our socket is just too fat that it's hitting the top part. So improvisation. Is there such a word? Improvisation?
Improvise, man.
Improvise, man. Improvise.
Done.
Yeah, that's done. So here's your filter. Take this off. Split it a little bit. Okay. Your filter. Click.
Want to show them what we're using?
Alright. Of course. BMW. What else? So you need to lube this up so that once you tighten it, it will not, break. So here's your torque spec. So you need to tighten it at 25.5 Newton meters.
Is there 25.5 Newton meters? Hell no.
No, don't worry. We have a torque wrench. Let me just grab my torque wrench.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. We're gonna put this. Let me just tighten it up. That's 25. And then let's put this back. We just made an easy job look harder. Guys, buy the right tools. Let's put back the bolts. Work, Andrew, work. So now that we've replaced the filter, the oil filter, it's time to close the drain plug and then pour in some oil. So before you put in the plug, clean the pan.
And then wrench, please. Wrench it. Andrew. Thank you.
Clean it very well. So next time you can inspect it if it's leaking or not. And then close this.
It's close. Let's go back to the top.
Okay, so let's pour some oil. But before that, remember to clean the surrounding of the filler cap before opening it, so that no dust or dirt will come in your engine. You can just drop this in. No issue.
Okay. Now I know. Now I know. Now I know.
BMW oil. See? If you go to a service center, they might put, you know, just plain crappy oil. At least you know what you put in your car, right?
Absolutely.
It's like your diet. At least you know what you're cooking.
Nothing but the best, man.
Yeah. Add 200 mils and then let's drop the car, start it, and then let it settle, and then we will measure it again.
Yup.
So we're done for the day. We already had the engine running, turned it off, cooled it down, had the oil settled. So we actually topped it up to 4.5 liters, because initially it was 4.2, and we add 200, and then when we add 100, and that's already on the right level. So 4.5 for the N13 engine. And look how gorgeous the engine is. Very clean.
Nice.
Ooh, snappy. So we cleaned the engine bay and we're done. The only thing to be cleaned is my garage, because he messed it up. Alright, see you guys. Hope you like this. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.
Peace, man.